And I'm here with my boy Ryan.
What's up, Woodlands crew? It's your boy. What's up? Today we're doing shit on the BMW. Give me that shit. If you haven't done so, subscribe, like, comment. That's gonna be here any second with this BMW. We're gonna redo those taillights, so let's see.
So for the bumper, I kind of want to do something along the lines of the M5 bumper. I'm not sure if you could see that, but that's what I want to do. Those bumpers, for some reason, are really expensive. So that's what the front bumper is going to look like, and I'm really excited for it. All right, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing the taillights on my car again. I know we already did them, but I don't like them. What I was thinking was, is people do a black strip, a light, like one coat black, and then the rest of the taillight red, except for the reverse light. And the reverse light, they do a nice, they do one tint black too. So it's going to look really nice, I think. We're going to head downtown and I'm going to get some sandpaper and some gloss paint. As you can tell, really in need of some TLC. And I'm not sure what else we're going to do. I think Ryan is inside right now. We're going to be waiting for him to see what else he wants to do. I also want to hear your guys' opinion on my wheels. Keep them chrome and silver, or should we just go a different route and make them all black with gold, the hardware? I would make everything black, even the dish. I'd make it a nice gloss black, and I would also do gold hardware. I think it would look really nice. The only reason I want to do the wheels is because I'll show you. That's why I need to redo the wheels. This is all corrosion and chipping. Yeah, and they were really expensive wheels. Let me see what you have to say. Maybe different color suggestions or a different color pattern, or maybe just an all different color in general. I want black and gold. I know Ryan wants, I think he wants the spokes to be black and the dish to be gold. I think that would look cool, but I don't know, because we are doing something else to this car, so it might match differently. So guys, I just stumbled upon probably one of the nicest case series I've ever seen in my life. Damn, it's beautiful. Okay.
What, that's on right now?
Yeah. Huh. So enjoy the light. Here we go. It's just a dot. That's all it is. There's no light going on you. It's just I'm following a dot.
There's plenty of red left. Wait. Nope, that's not it. There's like half a can of red and like a quarter can of black.
I honestly just need like a little shade of black. I need one shade.
There's plenty of this left though. I'm gonna go trade in my car right now.
Well, made it to Lowe's. We're actually at Lowe's, not Advanced Auto. Advanced Auto is right across the street. But we're gonna hit Lowe's first because it's probably way cheaper than Advanced Auto. So, nice piece. What, Ryan?
Piece, nice piece.
All right, it's just hot as hell in here. Got this stuff for the clear coat that I'm gonna do on my headlights after they're done being sanded. And I was gonna put them on the taillights, but I'm just gonna spray whatever I want red.
Remember when your seatbelt was off and it interrupted the video?
Are you gonna be happy? All right, yeah. So I was also in there to look for sheet metal, but apparently that doesn't exist anymore. We don't have any sheet metal, even though we live in Pennsylvania. And Pittsburgh is not that far away.
What does that have to do with sheet metal?
Pittsburgh is the steel capital.
Oh, really?
That's why they're called the Steelers.
Oh. I don't watch football, I don't know.
Peace. Holy shit, dude. That thing's so much faster than it was. Is that because of the equal length? Or not even the equal length, but...
I don't know, when was the last time you were in it? A very long time.
Dude, it's been like a couple months. I haven't been in this... The last time I was in this, you didn't get it tuned.
Last time you were in this...
It wasn't tuned like your last tune. You got it tuned recently.
Oh, well, I don't know.
Dude, that's ridiculous. Now put me back in the seat.
Here's a potato loaded griller, right? Check it out. Yeah, it's already coming off. It's probably gonna eat away at your glove too, so be careful.
So we got one done. Ryan got his done. Mine still has a bunch of crap on it. I'm not really sure what it is. These gloves make your hands smell like weed. Yeah, they got them hemp gloves, bro.
They're hemp gloves.
Yeah, can I smoke your gloves? Ryan, how bad are you sweating right
I was sweating really bad before, and I'm not doing any less work than I was 5 minutes ago. But somehow I'm not sweating right now. So I don't know what happened. Yeah, look, you got like some sort of environment growing in there.
Dude, I just poured water out of there. That's what I'm talking about.
So what you would do is you would just take this shit just come right off, and you would just take this off and put it in the oven and pry it open with a screwdriver. Oh, look at this big crack here too. It's like if you put like a thick layer of clear on this one's fine, but you would have to do it to that to match. I think that it would fill in this crack because it's not like it's not open.
Right.
It's just a crack, which I think is letting moisture in.
Take those gloves off real quick. You can smell your hand right now. It smells like you just were handling marijuana.
It does. Remember it does. How's it going? Welcome to Johnny's Customs. Today what we're going to be doing is fixing a taillight. Come on down to Johnny's Customs where we fix taillights and sell rice.
Sell rice?
Yeah.
For your car shop.
We're also a rice shop. That's why people call them rices.
Alright, so I got it all taped up. I'm going to make this black, these two black, and where it's already red, I'm just going to make it a little bit more red.
Are you? It's going to be ugly.
Yeah.
Put them side by side really quick. Like lean that up or something.
Oh my god. Alright, so right now we are taping off the reverse light and the blinker. We're going to paint the rest of the light just a shade more red. Having fun over there?
No, this is kind of awkward.
Alright, so we're going to get these all taped up and then we're going to spray them again. We'll be right back.
Okay, so Matt and I just did a coat of red on these taillights. They look pretty good. And what we're going to do now is start sanding down the headlights because they're disgusting. And then we're going to clear coat those. We just bought some clear coat by Rust-Oleum. So we'll let you know how that stuff works out.
These are the taillights, just one coat of red, just to kind of deepen the red a little bit. I'll show you the headlights. But these things are obviously, they are ineffective at this point. They don't do anything. How are these at night?
They aren't. You might as well have a flashlight that you get from your house and just tie it to there and it'll be just as good.
Matt had 180 grit paper, but that's way too aggressive, so we're going to use 400. And then we're going to use, I have 400 and then I have 1,000. And then I have 1,500, 2,000, and 2,500.
We're obviously not lifting the hood because, well, that guy right there, yeah, he broke it. Just dropped it. He's dropped the hood. Nice piece.
Matt, tell him what you're doing, you fucking idiot.
I am taping off, well, blocking the paint so I don't get any overspray on it. Take some newspaper, cover up the spot where it might overspray, and it should be good. Nice, thanks, piece. I just still think I should go a little bit black on this. It's just a lot lighter, I feel like, isn't it?
The left one, yeah, a little bit. It's a little bit lighter.
The red came out perfect. I'm happy with the red.
Nice. This shit sucks.
Is it really?
Look. It's just compression. There we go. For some reason I have to use it upside down.
Alright, so the headlights are coming out amazing. Look at that. Looks like a brand new headlight. The taillights, I don't know how I feel about them.
Wait, but hold on.
What about it?
This shit sucks.
Yeah, because you have to turn it upside down, right?
The product itself seems to be good, but
The can.
this design here is garbage. We may have gotten a faulty can.
Show them how you have to use it.
Oh, I have to use it like this. And it's really hard to press. You have to be Hulk to press it.
Yeah, but for the taillights, looks a lot better than it did. The reverse lights, I think I'm going to take the black out, though.
This is what I had thought to do a while ago, is to make this strip here red, make all the red black, the reverse light just leave it white. Because darkening it, I think you're losing some of the brightness of your bulb.
Right. I like the black and red. It's just I don't like the black as the reverse light right now. I think if that was clear, that would look a lot better right now.
Okay, well that's that. The taillights were done, the headlights were done. Still plenty to do on the car. Same with mine, same with my Jeep, same with everybody else's on Earth. So
Pretty good. I like that the headlights came out really well. The taillights I wish came out a little bit better, but it's just a little square that I could fix. Other than that, car's solid. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell because every Tuesday we have a video coming out. So make sure you don't miss it.
good piece.